Look at these videos. They're generating millions of views across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and creators are growing their pages faster than ever with simple handmade art content. From colorful paper crafts and satisfying DIY creations to realistic miniature designs, people can't stop watching because every step is relaxing, creative, and incredibly satisfying. What's even better is that these stunning videos are now being created with the help of AI, making the entire process much faster than you might think. So, if you want to create these viral handmade art videos yourself, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process using free AI tools so you can start producing eye-catching content in no time. Let's get started. To make this process even easier, I've already created a master prompt template for you. You can find it in the video description. This prompt is carefully designed to generate high-quality prompts specifically tailored for these paper crafting videos, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. Step number 1. First, open ChatGPT. Once it's open, copy the entire master prompt template. The prompt is quite long, so make sure you copy everything carefully without missing a single line. After you've copied the complete prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and click Generate. In just a few moments, ChatGPT will suggest 10 unique paper crafting video ideas. Take a moment to go through the list and choose the idea you like most. In this example, I'm selecting idea number 5. Now simply copy the selected idea, paste it back into ChatGPT, and click Generate again. ChatGPT will then create 2 things for you: a detailed storyboard image prompt that visually maps out the entire crafting process, and a complete step-by-step video generation prompt based on that storyboard. Once both prompts have been generated, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step number 2. Now open Google Gemini AI. Once it's ready, go back to ChatGPT, copy the storyboard image prompt, and paste it into the Gemini AI prompt box. Then click Generate. In just a few moments, Gemini AI will begin generating your storyboard image. As you can see, it creates a clean, highly detailed storyboard with excellent consistency, showing the entire paper crafting process frame by frame in a single image. Each stage flows seamlessly into the next, making it the perfect visual guide for creating the final video. Once the image is generated, download it because we'll be using it in the next step. Now that our storyboard image is ready, let's move on to the next step. Step number 3. Now open Flow AI. And that's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the complete workflow from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.